Again, you all are welcome in my channel. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic that is a very common nowadays, and everyone, those who are from computer science, electronics, electrical, mechanical, they all are talking about a very important topic, that is what we call fuzzy logic. Now fuzzy logic is what? Actually everything, everywhere, wherever there is a machine or wherever there is a real time simulation, they all work on fuzzy logic, and through fuzzy logic you can get a very good results. And it is a latest topic. You can, it is not so much latest, but still the lot of work is going on fuzzy logic. So how to implement the fuzzy logic, what are the tools where we can implement the fuzzy logics? So, and first of all, what is fuzzy logic? Let us understand this, and let us start this video, and I hope you will like this video. If you like, kindly subscribe, share, and like my videos. So without wasting time, let us start this video. So if we are talking about the fuzzy logic, the first point comes in our mind is, what is fuzzy logic? So fuzzy means the things that are not clear or awake. Sometimes we cannot decide in real life that a given problem or a statement is either true or false. Sometimes it has most of the time, if let us suppose we toss a coin, then obviously the probability of getting a head or tail is 50%. But let us say, we are doing some certain work. It is not always be that we are able to do the complete work, or we are not able to just start the work. There are certain intermediate states also. Maybe you completed your task 50%, 25%, 75%, 30%, 35%. It depends upon how much efforts you are putting in, or maybe some things get realizable and some things which are not realizable. So for these kind of problems, a system is developed, that is what we call fuzzy logic system, through which you can design a machine in such a way which can predict the probability, or give you a sense whether the work is 25%, 50%, 75%, 35%, 45% is done. So at the time, the concept provides many values between the true and false, which will give you a flexibility to find the best solution to that problem. So some examples of the fuzzy logic I am giving you is: the water is hot, or is it a hot water? Is it a hot water? If it is yes, then 1. If it is not a hot water, then 0, then no. This is a Boolean logic. In Boolean logic, you have either true or false. Either you will get a 1 or 0. And fuzzy logic is it's also kind of digital logic or Boolean logic, but it has several intermediate states also. Like if the value is 0.9, it is very much hot. If the value is 0.25, which is less, that is a little hot. If it is 0.1, it is very less. So with the help of fuzzy logic, you can also predict about the intermediate states. That is what we call fuzzy logics. So I think now, if you heard in your future the word fuzzy, you can understand what kind of logic is and how the machine is going to be implemented. So fuzzy logics we can implement through several FSM also, finite state machines also, and there are several methods and several software also coming where you can implement the fuzzy logic. The one of the best software that I use in my previous researches, that is a MATLAB. On a MATLAB there is a fuzzy logic block also, where you have all the models available. You can use that models by implementing your own rules. See, if the system is yours, if you have a keen interest in fuzzy logic implementation, you can find one of my paper on a Google Scholar. That is, I implemented a VDR integrated differentiator with PID controller with fuzzy logic. You saw there are several rules, and in the implementation of fuzzy logic, only you have to design the rules. Once you have your own rules, like here I mentioned in this example, very much, little, and very less. Similarly, there are two or more conditions which when true then certain kind of output will appear. So you have to just have to write your own rules and put it into the machine will respond according to your rule. That is what we call fuzzy controller, which work on your rules. So if means I think you understand this. If you are an engineer or from a technical background, you can understand my words easily. So and let us do again, let us move forward, because fuzzy logic is nowadays, because see, there are several conditions which are in between 0 and 1, so that can be only be implemented with the help of fuzzy. So now I move forward. Fuzzy logic contains the multiple logic levels that I explained. These values are the truth values of a variable or problem between 0 and 1. I think you understand. And I'll tell you one concept also. Nowadays it is a COVID environment, and everybody are very serious about online exams. In online exams, either you can ask the multiple choice question to the students, and there is no scheme of grading the students. If we give them a subjective question, descriptive question, so some student write 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, or some sensible information or not sensible information. For that, this fuzzy logic will work. In future, I am sure some people design some online platform where when a student write with the help of machine learning, also in NLP also you can use it, by getting a feedback, particular relevant words. If the student write it, that particular relevant words, so on the basis of that, if you designed a system with the help of the fuzzy logic, the results will become according to the student's writing. Means if the student have written that particular point, they will score more. So this how this fuzzy logic based examination system will help. And I strongly recommended this. The people from the IT background, they can design certain sort of websites where the teacher can ask a question and the student will respond, and on the basis of the fuzzy, the rules that described by the teacher, the answer will come. So I hope many of you, those who are from IT background and watching my video, they can start working on this. So this concept was introduced by the Lofty Jath in 1965. It is not a new technology. It is designed in 1965 based on the fuzzy set theory. And there is one chapter in the 11th class, the set theory, or you also learned in the BCA and BTech also, or in fact in MCA. So the set theory is one of the most important topic. At that time, you are not really know where its application is, but for designing a fuzzy logic system, the set theory works. So the concept provides a possibility which are not given by the computers, but similarly to the range of possibilities generated by the humans. This is very important, that I already explained. This concept provides a possibility which are not given by the computer, because computer operates on 0 and 1, on and off. It will not talk about the intermediate states that will come in the human mind. So fuzzy logic is very important. I think you understand. In a Boolean system, only two possible systems, 0 and 1, exist, that I explained, where 1 denotes the absolute truth value, 0 denotes for false. But in fuzzy system, there are multiple possible values present between 0 and 1, which is partially false or partially true, maybe also included into that. So fuzzy logic can be implemented in the system as a microcontroller, workstation based, large network based system for achieving the definite output. It can also be implemented in both hardware and software. In the software, I already told you, and for hardware, now several students, they done most of the fuzzy logic coding, but they do not know how to implement it. While when it comes to be a hardware implementation, they get confused. Once you design a fuzzy logic, the next thing that you need a controller to follow that instruction. For that, there are several kind of controllers nowadays available, like a Raspberry Pi or Arduino boards, where you can, and there are also some fuzzy logic boards are also available. You can embed the code into that particular fuzzy logic board, and that so then the board will act as the code that you embed into that. So with this, I think you can understand the basics of the fuzzy logic now. What is fuzzy logic, how it is implemented. If you want to do certain projects on the fuzzy logic and want to include into my team, you can contact me on the email address that is given in the description. And also, if you like this video, kindly share and subscribe my channel also. And I will be come back soon with a more technological, the more videos soon. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Thank you.